The idea for the proposal came from how hard it is to start a company. Both, I mean, just the basic process of getting a company started anywhere is hard. And then when you combine that with starting a company that's working in the field of blockchain and cryptocurrency, when there's so much that's new and uncertain and unknown and changing rapidly, that's a challenge. And one of the things I love about Catalyst is that it's launching so many amazing people doing so many amazing projects that have so much opportunity to build and create and grow things. And I realized that if those projects are going to grow to become bigger projects and companies and bigger businesses, they all need to have legal entities. And so there must be a lot of other people who either are struggling with the same things that I am or will be soon. And so I thought, well, I have to do this anyway. I might as well write up the steps to my process, and then maybe it's useful for somebody else who's going through the same thing. So that was the idea for putting together this document. So I wrote a document outlining each step that I took to create a legal entity that I would use to engage in Catalyst activity, but specifically to run a cryptocurrency blockchain business. And what I needed to be careful of, it's not a how-to manual for two important reasons. One, I'm not qualified to give legal or tax or accounting advice in any way. I'm not an expert in any of those fields. And so I didn't want people to think that they could use this as a manual to exactly create their own company. But also everything is changing so fast that by the time I would write and publish something, probably it would be different for the next person. So the way I set it up in the end was just to tell my own story. And it's my personal story of how I created and launched a legal entity company. And my hope is, what I tried to do is highlight the issues, the questions, the challenges, so it would be relevant for most entrepreneurs in whatever legal jurisdiction they live in. It would be good things to think about and challenges that they'll probably face that would be similar to mine, but without giving, specific, here's the law and here's the answer, but more, what are the questions that another entrepreneur might want to ask? There are, 8 substantive sections that cover all the different aspects of forming a company. So it's choosing a name, finding a location, the different types of legal entities and the capital requirements that they have, the kinds of legal documents that are needed to bring the company to life. Then it covers opening a bank account, the different kinds of accounting considerations, payroll insurance and insurance stuff, and then everyone's favorite part, taxes. This has been super fun for me. I really am enjoying the process of being an entrepreneur, and I'm also a mother of an actual son, but it's been a really fun journey to give birth to a company also, and to watch my baby grow. And I have great hopes that this company will grow up and really become a full-fledged operating, stable, revenue generating business. The second thing is, anyone who's listening to this or reading my document who's on the same journey, I wish them incredible success and good fortune, and I hope that everyone else has the same excitement and enthusiasm for this journey that I do. And then the third thing is, I'm not an expert at all. I welcome feedback. So if anyone has a different experience, a different interpretation, wants clarification on something I said, or disagrees, please reach out to me. I would love to hear other people's stories and other people's feedback and anyone else's perspective who's going along on this same journey.